Effective communication with customer. Architect in the process of planning and construction of houses. Case study, Cuenca, Ecuador. The present investigation was carried out by Engineer Ximena, Avila, student of the Catholic University of Cuenca, Ecuador. Magister Juan Ortega, Magister Nera Mendoza, teachers of the Catholic University of Cuenca, Ecuador. Communication problems between users and contractors prevent the successful delivery of the housing project within the specified time, cost, and quality. The problem arises from the dissatisfaction of users by not getting involved in the process of building their home. In the present investigation of qualitative systematic approach, the problems that arise at the time of construction between clients and builders in housing projects in the city of Cuenca are analyzed. The project was developed with the use of a systemic method, which allowed the diagnosis and evaluation of the parameters that made up the model, as well as the needs and requirements. This made it possible to meet the objectives set, improve communication of the progress in construction of the works, and have a better experience when getting involved in the construction process of the house. To determine the needs of the parties involved, a follow-up was carried out through the use of sources, such as observation and data collection instruments on people involved in the construction of houses. The project began with the opinion of different people who built their home. An interview was conducted with 50 people through different questionnaires. Almost all the interviews showed interest in monitoring the construction of the work. Among the aspects that they would like to have in control at the time of construction of their home, economic process, and meeting deadlines prevailed. And to include with the interview, it was observed that the use of a digital application would be very useful to improve communication. The builders, for their part, indicate that they feel satisfied by the communication they maintain with their clients at the time of construction. They consider that it will always be necessary to coordinate all the economic and constructive aspects in the advancement of the housing project, since this the success of the project will depend. The builders indicated that they prefer that the interaction be carried out in a personal way, since they consider it to be the best means of communication, since in the experience, interacting personally with people helps to reach an agreement and find immediate solutions to problems. The use of information gathering instruments allowed us to know the reality of construction environment. By knowing how they behave against different communication criteria, it was possible to generate an alternative solution for them, the most viable in this research being the development of an application.